Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to another one of my soap making video. This is Helen from Moonlit Soap Work. Today we are gonna be restocking one of my very popular bars. Actually, one of my favorite personal favorite is called Island Sunrise, and the fragrance itself is Passionfruit and Guava. And really love this. It's a very tropical and it's sweet scent, so love this one. And unfortunately I got this from Candle Science, and I've been using it for a few years now, but unfortunately sometime last year they discontinued this particular fragrance, so I'm actually down to my last little batch or two if I can. So yeah, I'm gonna need to find a substitute for this particular fragrance. I'm gonna see if I could get my hand on some passion fruit by itself, some guava, and see if I could blend it myself. But this is my personal favorite. I call the bar Tropical Sunrise. So it's kind of a orangey kind of sunrise color bar. So this is the fragrance, and already pre-measured is right here. And as for color, we are using two very bright color today. This one right here, we see this beautiful color right here. This one right here is the Matte Oils Bazaar Hussy. So this is one of the almost a neon-ish bright coral pink color. It's going to be a lot less like bright like this in the cold process soap, as the process of soap making is always like that. So it's going to basically settle down and melt in a little bit. So it's going to be a nice soft color actually. And then this one right here is almost a neon orange color. It's very pretty. And the name, this is also another matte oil, matte micas. They call it the matte micas now. Matte micas, micas is called flotation device. Very fitting name for this particular color. It's a gorgeous bright orange color. And of course it's gonna be much softer in the cold process soap once I put it in, but this is what the color looks like. See how gorgeous this is? So between these two colors, we're gonna have some pretty sunset tone going on in this bar. And this is like my 4th generation of this particular bar, so I always change the design up a little bit. But for the last couple of rounds, I've been doing confetti bar, and I have these confetti from a solid bright red bar that I was shaving, and I always save all my confetti, my soap shaving. So this is my confetti with this one particular color. So we're gonna do, I'm still debating on the design to this moment. It's kind of funny. Yes, I think I'm gonna do this in the base oil color before adding these color. And I'm gonna add this into the base, and I'm gonna do into a tall and skinny mold right here, and I'm gonna do just a touch like that and let it sit, and then I'm gonna do in the pot swirl with these colors just going in there and see what kind of pattern they're gonna come up with. So this is this. So that's about it. It's a pretty straightforward bar. So we're gonna put the goggle on, we're gonna put the gloves on, long sleeve. Okay, let's make some soap. there you have it. This is Island Sunrise, and the color came out really pretty. I'm actually really loving this color right now. That is almost a fiery sunset, so this is definitely an island sunset instead of island sunrise. Okay. um, we'll see what I'm gonna name it when this is done. But it's smelling beautiful. I hope everybody have fun watching this very short video. And if you like what you see, please go ahead and hit thumbs up on this video. And if you like to stay tuned to any of my future videos, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy shopping!